Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning viewers, welcome as well. If you are new, please do well to subscribe to my channel, support me by liking my videos. And if you are returning viewers, thank you so much for returning to my channel. And do well to like my video and recommend me to your friends so that I can move from this stage to so that I can be elevated from this very level to another. So today I'll be sharing with you a mind-blowing app that you can use to mine Ethereum. Okay, all you just need to do is just sign up on this ETH mining app and start mining. Okay, on this very app there is a place for you can catch out and you catch out what you mined and you keep moving. Okay, there's no investment required. You don't have to put your money, you don't have to do anything here. So I won't talk too much in order to save the length of this video. Just quickly pick up your phone, make sure you go to your your Play Store and download this app, ETH mining app. Okay, from my network, make sure you have a network connection. So coming up now, okay, it's showing you this very interface because I have already signed up. Okay, so the next thing you need to do here is just click on start now and it will start mining. Okay, so but let's go back there and sign up together. Let's go back there, and sign up together. The sign up process is just very simple. I don't even think we need to do that together. All you just need to do, fill in the display, your name, your surname, your email, your password, confirm the password, and just click on sign up. It's very simple. Okay, so since I have done this and it's showing like this because I have already saved my code here, which is why it's showing this way. And on this very place, there's a referral programs also you can refer and also earn Ethereum. So if you look at the top right hand side of this interface, you see ETH per second. This is what you earn per second. You see the plus 0.00001. Okay, then at the left hand side you see your current plan is free plan. Okay, don't upgrade anything here, don't put your money. All you just need to do is to mine and prepare to withdraw. Okay, so the next thing that we just need to do is just click on start now. It's connecting, just watch. The moment it's connected, you see this very time it has displayed the time that this very one will mine. Okay, per second I'll get 0.0001. Is that correct? Okay, so now you have seen this time that is here, 23:59, which is roughly 24 hours. Okay, by this time tomorrow that I'm doing this video, this is 9:36. So by this time tomorrow, this time will be expired and I'll have to click again to start mining another. Okay, so this is very simple as ABCD. If you do have any question, do not hesitate to drop under my comment section is open. You can drop your comment section and I'll get back to you and I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay, so before I go out of this video, I would like you to check this place. You see this upgrade, withdrawal, and also setting. So just go to the settings. I would like to show you something. So in this place is where you can contact them, the customer service of this very amazing app. In this place you see share. This is where you can share with your friends. Okay, I believe in my own referral button, my own referral code at the bottom comment sections of this very video. So please use my referral form, use my referral code to sign up. Okay, if you just click on this place, it will where you can share your referral code. So all you just need to do is just come to this place and click on copy. Okay, and now if you want to share with friends on social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, email, on Snapchat, Telegram, or others, you can as well do that. Okay, so this is where you can see about the app. This is where you can see the privacy. Let's see about the app. Welcome to the ETH Mine app. Do log in into our app and click on so as we said, for 24 hours non-stop. Okay, You can invite your friends and increase your hourly mining rest. Okay, they have to mine at the same time you do for getting higher rate. Share up with your friends and Ethereum. Okay, so the moment you share your link with your friends and your friends use your link to sign up and keep mining, you also be gaining. Okay, so this is how this is. It's very simple as ABCD. All you just need to do is just keep mining, keep mining, keep mining, keep mining, and keep mining. Okay, this is where you check their privacy. It's loading. This is where you check their privacy, whatever you need to know about this very app. You can as well make your own research. It's your account. Okay, you can as well make your own what, make your own research. Okay, so you see it's currently mining. We're still going. For every second I get 0.00001. Okay, so for the sake of this video, for the sake of this tutorial, I would like to stop here. So before I leave, I will still want to, if you're just joining me, I will still want to remind you to subscribe to my channel and do well to like my videos. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.